A health warning for women this afternoon about the COVID-19 vaccine and how it could affect their mammograms. KCAL 9's Christine Lazar explains.
This is a mammogram belonging to a woman 5 days after she got the COVID vaccine.
On the left side in that patient, you can see enlarged lymph nodes or swollen lymph nodes as compared to the right. And that patient was just a couple days removed from their second dose of the COVID vaccination.
Dr. Jason McKellop is the medical director of BreastLink Imaging Centers. He says his patient got the shot in her left arm, which is why her left side was affected. The purpose of the COVID vaccine is to instigate an immune response by the body.
The swelling of the lymph nodes is basically a representation of that battle being fought, and your body's immune responses weaponizing itself against this foreign entity.
Because swollen lymph nodes can be a sign of breast cancer, the Society of Breast Imaging is advising women to get their annual mammograms either before they get the vaccine or wait until 4 to 6 weeks after.
How many cases have you seen where women have come in after their vaccine and have exhibited these swollen lymph nodes?
So I've seen a handful of cases, somewhere between 5 and 7 cases in the past couple weeks.
According to the CDC, more than 11% of those who have had their first dose of the vaccine experience swollen lymph nodes. That number increases to 16% after the second dose. Dr. McKellop says he is seeing this side effect with both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, but it isn't cause for concern.
And if there's one thing that I can reassure all patients is that this is the body's normal reaction and essentially doing its thing in terms of mounting a defense to the vaccination and ultimately to the COVID virus.
Now, we know that many women put off their mammograms due to the shutdown. So the doctor says if you are long overdue, don't reschedule that mammogram. Just make sure to tell your provider if you recently received the COVID vaccine. Christine Lazar, KCAL 9 News.